Vincent Regani here with Flat Screen Clean. How many of us have flat and touchscreen devices out there in our lives? And you know how hard it is to keep them clean and streak free? Well, I'm a professional house cleaner by trade, and today I'm going to do my extreme demonstration. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put a whole lot of stuff on the screen behind me and right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with some kids finger paint. A little bit of white, a little bit of orange, and some purple, and then some brown. Okay, but I'm not going to stop there. Now I'm going to go to Italian dressing. So this is all the stuff I have that I'm going to put on the screen. Italian dressing. So we're the only company out there that does these extreme demonstrations with our flat screen cleaner. So now I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on, some ketchup, mustard, Hershey syrup, peanut butter. And you're probably wondering, why is he putting all this stuff on the screen? Well, sometimes these are things that obviously end up on the screen. If you have children, peanut butter, jelly, fingerprints all at the bottom of the screen. Lipstick, that's kind of representing, we use our personal devices all the time. And our phones, for example, makeup and everything can get on here. And this is lip gloss. Okay. And some personal hand cream. Alright. But wait, I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to take it a little bit further than that. I'm going to put permanent marker on the screen. But before I put the permanent mark on the screen, I'm going to shut the TV off so you can see exactly how messed up it really is. Okay. So you see that? Yeah, I do. Alright. And we'll put some permanent marker right here. Alright. So then what we're going to do is we're going to just put permanent marker on this. For some reason the gold keeps on running out on me. There we go. So not the gold, the silver. I'm sorry. That's a metallic Sharpie. Sharpie, yeah. Okay. So I'm going to let this sit here and just dry. So back to who's this guy putting all this stuff on the screen? My name is Vincent Regani. Like I said, I'm a professional house cleaner by trade. I messed up one of my customers' TVs one day using a name brand cleaner. Streaks all over. And I came up with a solution. So during this live broadcast, it is May 14th today, and the time is a little after 10. If you have any questions or comments, you can ask anything you want and I'll answer them. Okay, so Flat Screen Clean is your one-stop shop, all-in-one flat and touchscreen cleaning product. It's both alcohol and ammonia-free. And before I go on even further, we're not out of stock. Amazon is working on that for us right now. Okay, so Flat Screen Clean is your one-stop shop, all-in-one flat and touchscreen cleaning product. It's both alcohol and ammonia-free. That means you no longer have to have multiple cleaners for your devices, just one, and it's made from all natural ingredients. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. And we provide you all the tools needed to ensure your satisfaction. And as you can see, it will clean to the extreme, from chicken wings to hand creams and everything in between, even removes permanent marker. And the only way I can show you this is by doing our extreme demonstration. So here we go. So what I'm going to do first is, this is going to be hard to take off, probably. It might give me a hard time. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. It all depends. It all depends on the potency of the marker. So simply shake, spray, and wipe, and repeat if necessary. So with our 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel, which is right here. It's one of the largest towels out on the market. Repeat if necessary. So Flat Screen Clean, when you clean your TV, it will mist onto the screen. See how it mists? So it will not run. Now this is to the extreme. Our extreme demos. We like doing extreme demos and we like doing live demos all the time. So We will not put anything on a loop. Everything is live. So whatever comes out of my mouth comes out of my mouth. It's that simple. So I tested Flat Screen Clean on over 20,000 units to date. I call it real time, real dirt, real results. And as you can see, this is almost clean with the permanent marker. And I do apologize if you do hear my dog bark in the background, because I forgot to put him somewhere so where he wouldn't bark. And as you can see, it removed the permanent marker. Ta-da! No magic tricks. It's made from all natural ingredients. Okay, so now I'm going to get to the TV. Now remember, I put permanent marker on the TV too. What a mess. So again, with our 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel, simply shake, spray, and wipe, and repeat if necessary. So Flat Screen Clean is your one-stop shop, all-in-one flat and touchscreen cleaning product that's both alcohol and ammonia free. And we're the only screen cleaner out on the market that does these extreme demonstrations with our product. Being a professional house cleaner by trade, it allows me to go into people's homes and test product. So that allows me to test on all the new products that our customers get. Real time, real dirt, real results. So you're wondering, chicken wings and hand cream and everything in between? Exactly, that's how I came up with testing and doing these extreme demos, because I would go into a customer's home and say, what's on your screen? Oh, my husband decided to have a pizza and wing party and he decided to move the TV. I'm like, really? And he didn't wash his hands? So I had chicken wings all over the perimeter of the screen because they moved the TV without washing their hands. And as you can see, Flat Screen Clean removed all what I put on that screen. So I'll get into what you get and the price. So what you get in the price is I used the 8-ounce bottle today. You get the 8-ounce bottle, you get the 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel, plus you get the insert card, all for $14.95. Free shipping for everybody. If you're a Prime member, you get free shipping. But if you're not a Prime member, you get free shipping. And then we offer our 4-ounce bottle at $12.95. And you also get the 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel. Now this is $12.95 plus shipping and handling. And then we have our travel size bottle. Yes, for all your travel needs. So this is the 2-ounce bottle, plus you get a medium-sized super blue microfiber towel. Medium-sized super blue microfiber towel, that's 12 by 12. And then we have our mini super blue microfiber towel, which is an 8 by 8 towel, which is $1.95 plus shipping and handling. But I tell you what I have going on right now is I have free shipping on our 8-ounce bottle. But you know what? I'm going to have a deal that's going to run probably for a long, long time. $20 or more on our Amazon store, free shipping. So if you buy a 4-ounce bottle, a 2-ounce bottle, and a mini super blue microfiber towel, free shipping for everybody. That's it. We're here to meet your needs and keeping your screens clean. So if you like what you see, act now and order yours today. Flat Screen Clean. We're not sold out. Check us out. Put us in our search, Flat Screen Clean. Check out our other demo videos. You can follow us on any social media, Flat Screen Clean. And we're here to meet your needs on keeping all your screens clean. What are you looking at right now? You're looking at a flat screen. Is it clean? I don't know. But we're also not a one-dimensional cleaner. Flat Screen Clean is not only designed to clean the front side, it's designed to clean the entire unit. So if you like what you see, act now and order yours today. Flat Screen Clean. It's not clean, it's Flat Screen Clean. Thank you and have a great day.